Happy Wednesday, Wildcats. Welcome back to a great day of learning here at West Lane. Happy to have all of you back. Happy to see a lot of you yesterday. Um, Today we have our white day, and some of you will be experiencing again new classes, new class setups. As you come today, remember there's no scheduled changes, but if you have a schedule blank in your schedule, you will come down that period and that period only to Mrs. Anderson, and then she will send you back to the correct counselor to get that schedule corrected. Let's go ahead and get to announcements today. We do have 8th grade level meetings this morning. You're not watching this, but everybody else is watching this. So let's get to it. All right, today is Wednesday, January the 10th, 2024, and these are your morning announcements. West Lane Middle School is an avid school-wide site of distinction. The mission of West Lane Middle School is to reveal the genius of each Wildcat through a culture of joy, respect, and excellence. We believe every person deserves to be seen, affirmed, and to grow. Let's get Wildcat ready, everyone. Our lanyards and our IDs are around our necks. Our binders and our student organizers are with us. Backpacks, fanny packs, and purses are in our lockers. Hats, sunglasses, and hoods are off. AirPods and phones are in our lockers. Blankets stay at home. Today is a white day with advisory. We'll have advisory all week this week. We then have block 6, block 7 and lunch, block 8, 9, and 10. 6th grade schedules and Avid 7. If you have Ms. Neff on your schedule, her room is B112 in the 6th grade hallway, not C110. If you have Mr. Gurton on your schedule for resource, he is in F118. There will be no schedule change requests on her for this semester. However, if you do not have a class for a specific period, then you should report to Mrs. Anderson that period. Wildcat Focus. We have 3 this quarter. Number 1 is writing in your student organizer every class. That was number 1 for the year. Number 2, be on time to every class. That was for the second part of the year, and it continues today. And this one we're starting to focus on. We want your first effort to be your best effort. What does that mean? It means when you take a test or you do homework, you're getting it in on the first time, and knowing that that's going to be your absolute, and putting forth your absolute best effort for that assignment. All right, make sure we're cleaning up Wesley. Make sure the hallways and cafeterias remain cleared. Throw away all your trash into the trash cans. Don't forget this is cold and flu and COVID season, so make sure you're washing your hands at least for 20 seconds and coughing into your sleeve or sneezing into your sleeve for the prevention of the spread of germs. Don't forget to go to honorschools.org and recognize your teacher. Don't forget, here at West Lane, there is 0 play fighting, 0 shadow boxing, 0 2 for flinching, 0 neck slapping. Each student gets 1 pass a week, about an average of, and no pass in the first 20 minutes or last 20 minutes of class. Cafeteria, please sit at your correct tables and facing the center. Stay in your seat and have your IDs. Don't forget about the 10% rule of passes. Teacher can write about 2 to 3 passes per class, and all restroom passes are for 5 minutes or less. Don't forget the bell does not dismiss you from class, nor does my lunch announcement at the end of 1 and 5 dismiss you from class. Your teacher does. Breakfast students, you must report directly to the cafetorium off the bus to get breakfast. All food should be in the cafetorium. No food should be taken outside of the cafeteria or eaten outside the cafetorium. Restroom privacy, gentlemen, please give students using the restroom appropriate privacy at all times. Signature ID is also around your neck, or it has to be around your neck to receive a hall pass or to check out books in the library. And as always, all cell phones are in your locker between 9:25 and 4:25. They'll be taken if they're seen or heard, and you may have to be suspended if it's a third offense. Don't forget our motto. Say it with me. Cada Wildcat, cada dia mejora, which means every Wildcat, every day gets better. Hopefully we all have a wonderful Wednesday, Wildcats. We will see you throughout the building, and again too. You'll also be today. Some of my 6th and 7th graders will be either watching a safety video or doing WIDA kickoff. Please note that in the safety video, it does say, use your cell phones a couple times. We only would use a cell phone, only would have our cell phones in the event of an evacuation. If we had to evacuate the building, we would have you all grab your cell phones for that purpose to evacuate the building. Any other time, we would not have our cell phones. If we had to do a lockdown or a hold and secure, or a hold or a secure, we wouldn't use our cell phones. So ignore that part of the video if you watch your safety video today. You do know that there are new safety signs around the building, and we'll be going over what exactly all those areas are. And we'll actually be doing some drills this month that actually talk about hold or secure. And then we'll also be doing a lockdown drill at some point this month or in February. Thank you and have a wonderful Wednesday here at West.